Hey guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with this quick get ready with me featuring KesWigs. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the easiest way that I reinstall my wigs, and then I'm going to be doing my quick everyday makeup routine. I decided to kind of pop in to show you guys my makeup routine because it's actually not anything extensive hair wise, get ready with me wise. It took me like 10 minutes even though I was talking, so it took a little longer, but I hope you guys enjoy. I absolutely love this wig. I have already installed it, but I reinstalled it and I bleached the knots. And when I say I love this wig, I absolutely love this wig, you guys. Everything's tagged below. Let's just hop into this install.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
You guys, we're back with like a get ready with me. I'm over here trying to hide this. I'm going to be installing a wig and doing like my quick makeup look, like the quickest makeup look you guys are going to ever see from me. And this is what I do normally on an everyday basis. But this is the same wig that I installed previously from KesWigs, and I just wanted to reinstall it because I decided to bleach the knots, or I attempted to bleach the knots. I think I did a damn good job, but we're gonna see. I absolutely love this wig. I do have a coupon code in case you guys want to save some money. Handy dandy spray. Did I mention I don't have a mirror? So wish me all the luck in the world. I don't like to wait until it's like almost dry. I just like it to briefly be dry so I can have time to wiggle it around. So you guys, as I'm like letting it melt, I want you guys to see this 13x6. Because that bad boy is beefy. Do you see? It's consistent on all sides. I love this hair. I did, like I said, bleach the knots. I feel like when bleaching the knots, and as you guys can see, this is what the knot scalp is looking like. When I bleached the knots, I did have to bleach them 2 times because the first time I didn't leave them in long enough. And the only reason why I kind of was skeptical to leave them on too long was because the front half is like single knotted and I didn't want to mess up my wig, you know what I mean? So I did bleach the knots twice at like 30 val for like 15 minutes each. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do our brows while this kind of melts, but I've just been using like this little brow stamp. If you guys are interested, I'll link it below. When I say my everyday makeup routine is like the easiest thing to do. Okay guys, I wear glasses, so me trying to give y'all this peep show right now, bless my heart, doesn't look bad. I'm over here getting all cute and I gotta take out the trap. What? Like, I don't be knowing what I be thinking sometimes. Boom. And the good thing about it is I only use like a few products, but I go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Is a holy grail. Like, I literally keep rebuying it because I absolutely love it. then I just kind of take it and flick down. Okay. And then I just take the leftover, any leftover, and I just put it on my imperfections. Whenever I like don't really want to do that much, this is literally all I do. So I just dab it in with my finger. I don't use beauty blenders anymore, like with my everyday makeup routine. No. Okay, so we just dab it in. I also add the concealer just around my mouth, and then I dab it on like my imperfections. That's it. And then I wipe it around. So, and for anybody who thinks that like my everyday skin just looks so flawless, this is what I do. Big old fluffy brush, and it's not really dense. Okay, you guys see how flawless my skin already looks. I go with my Kat Von D. This is the best powder. Okay, when I say I've cried and had this powder on and my makeup didn't go nowhere, best powder hands down. And I don't really be packing it in. I just like let it touch wherever it wants to touch. You guys are gonna think I'm kidding. After that, blush. No contour, no nothing. When it's like my everyday face, and this is normally like every day, and it only takes me like 5 minutes. Then we dust it. And this is a super pinky. You see, like it's like really light pink. So in real life, it's just gonna give you a nice natural flush, not anything too drastic. Like you can barely see it, but it's on there. Handy dandy. Okay, and then I just go for it. Like, as you guys can see, it's not anything too drastic. Okay, so I just put it there, down my nose, shim, spray. Would you believe me if I told you that's all I do for my face? And then normally I put on like big, bold, dramatic lashes. We'll do lashes after we like style our hair. I look great?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. She just woke up from her nap. And then we end it with lip gloss.
Wow. Okay.
This is my everyday makeup routine. Get ready with me. I just put on lashes. You guys, this hair is the stunner. This is from KesWigs. I will link everything below in case you guys are interested, but I absolutely love this wig. Like when I say love it, it's actually a straight texture. So what you guys saw me install, don't touch anything. What you guys saw me install was the natural texture. So it was like a straight texture, so it's super easy to straighten when you are looking for like a nice straightened wig. It does curl well, so I absolutely love this wig. If you guys didn't tell from the first install that I love the wig, I absolutely love this wig. I did bleach the knots, as you guys can see, and it's 13x6, and this is on the side. So I just love the parting space. Excuse me, baby. I love how from root to tip, like it's just so thick. Like it's beautiful hair. Like when I say this hair is beautiful, it's absolutely beautiful. So hope you guys enjoyed this super quick get ready with me. This is how I look on an everyday basis. My makeup routine is super fast. I try not to do anything too fast because I have a toddler, so when it comes to getting ready, I need like fast and cute, you know what I mean? So hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, everything is tagged below in case you guys are interested. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.